What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's your boy GCA, and I'm so excited because I'm about to share something great with you guys. Just recently, someone disclosed, excuse me, someone shared with me a platform where he has been earning, and I was so surprised to know about that, and I have not even been part of it. Like, I I don't even know. Like, okay, so as soon as he told me about this, I saw um his results, and I was like, whoa, I have to give a try to this thing, because he showed me a couple of people who has been like enjoying this program. Okay, so as you can see, this is my account. Excuse me, you can see my name, of course, GCA. And I really want to share this opportunity with you guys because I believe in it. Okay, I've been into the online business space and I know how it is. I lost money much a couple of times, and some I profited. And anytime I see something awesome, I grab it. I don't wait. Okay, so quickly I would tell you what it is all about. Okay, so this is a company that is, you know, so far so good. I've checked the background, and I know that, wow, it's okay. Okay, and I just want to share with you the concept. So this is Nigeria Order Works. Okay, so it's more like this platform has what do you call it? Uh, oh, somebody help me. An e-commerce system that you make orders, automatic orders. You don't actually get those things you order to yourself. Okay, the system is actually designed to work that way. All right. And so I want to share this with you. So once you the process is this. So all you need to be doing is you actually going to be um tapping, making orders, like a task you perform within 5 minutes, and that's all, and you get to earn per day and move on. Okay, so this is the home page. We have four tabs here in the background. Okay, four tabs here in the background. You see, the next one is team. This one shows you um like how many people are directly under you. It has a referral program. Okay, so that's what the team tab is all about. So it's showing you how much. Like for me, I have total. I just started today, a few hours ago. Okay, no time, like I said, no time. I go straight to what I believe is going to work. I know there are many scams out there, but I believe in this system. Okay, so I have three guys already joined me within few hours. I just share with people. Those that believe take action, and few, we move. So this commission is like people, what I got, like from those people that actually registered. Okay, it's like one of them just. Okay, so this bonus is coming from there. I will take much time after after I study more about this and tell you more about this commission system excuse me, and how it works. But for now, I just want to show you around the system. I'll do more couple videos to show you a lot about this. And the next one is the level two is people that are under the people that are under you. I don't know if you get that. And then the third level is the people under the people under the people under you. Okay. So now the next step is the service. So before I go to that, look at the system. You will see number of members and also the amount you're getting from that. So you're gonna be earning from each level down. Okay, so let's move to the next. Now, if you have any problem, you want to ask question, or you want to contact the customer service system once directly, this is where you tap. Okay, and then the next is mine. Okay, this is Okay, so this is my homepage, more like my dashboard, okay, where I see a lot of things. So this is where I get to see um the money I have, like this 11k 900 plus is what I have. Okay, but first, initially when you register, the company gives you 500 naira free to start, okay, which is on a VIP 1. Okay, you'll be getting 6% of that every day when you do that, when you perform that task. I'll show you how. And then other profits. So this other profit is what I actually have been what I got from the task I've done so far. And then the total commission is more like based on the referral. So you, all of them are going to be here at the top where you see my um asset, okay, my total asset. So if you want to withdraw, this is where you come, you tap on the withdrawal, you enter your password, and transaction password, you save, and blah blah blah, you move. Okay, and then for this one you have to set it first, and then you move to the next. I'm gonna do video like I told you about, okay, but for now, all right. So now you move to this, which is order record. If you've made an order, you see it here. Okay, let me show you. I have some now. These are the orders I've made. Now mind you, these orders are not actually going to be um are not actually orders that I've made that they are going to send to me. Okay, all right. So account details, this is where you get to see your commissions and all these things. Level commission, I got level commission, level 1 commission. Okay, these are some of the commissions, and based on the task I've done already, you see these ones, this grab commission, that's what they are all about. And then recharge. Okay, if you've recharged, like for me, I recharged with 100 with 10k. Okay, so so after I've done I got what do you call it, I got when I registered, I got 500 free, but when I top up with 10,000 naira, I got 1,000 naira plus. Okay, so plus what I have 500, that's 11,500, and the rest is from my total commission of other profit. Okay, so there's one thing you don't know, like if you register today, like within the weekend, you're gonna get that bonus I spoke about. But if you recharge, or if you fund your wallet within the weekdays, you're not gonna get that. So that is why I'm doing this video, to share with you guys so that you can grab it ASAP, no time. Okay, and then some of this information with time I'll just let you know, but I don't want to make this video longer. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let me show you how actually this office supply is where you see 500 naira is actually from the beginning where I started. Okay, so there is VIP 3, there is VIP also VIP 4. So what you get to VIP 2, you actually put 5,000, you use 5,000 to actually move to VIP 2. Okay, the rest will still be in your wallet. So the higher your money, the higher your profit. Okay, there is VIP 3, which is 30,000. VIP 4 is 100k. Okay, we have people that are doing that already. I'm gonna show you some of the results from people, and you get to know that. And you can withdraw anytime, like from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday. Okay, and you have your money from 2k upward, you can withdraw, and then they will send it to your account. All right, what is it I'm yet to say? Let me see. Okay, like I said, okay, to recharge, this is, you tap recharge, you choose the amount you want to add. Is it 5,000, is it 10,000 or so, and then you choose and confirm. Okay, there's even way to do that, to check. Okay, when you come down here, you see beginners guide, why us, how to earn, you see, and it will tell you more about this. So I'm gonna drop my link below this video. If it is on my YouTube channel, just check it, click it, move on. Okay, and then what is it again, if there is anything, I'm gonna do more videos like I said. So I'll stop here. I don't want to make this longer. Okay, one more thing before we go. Okay, if you want to make your order, or if you want to perform your task, this is what you do every day. So for me, I'm under VIP2 now, so I'm tapping this clothing. Now this is what it is. Here you see that 13, right? I have already grabbed my bonus, my daily income for the day, 13 times, the remaining 7 times. So I'm going to show you how it works. What you do is to tap on this automatic order, and then you tap on it. This is what you're gonna see, and then you tap on confirm. Okay, you tap on confirm. Success. You move. You see remaining 6. You tap again. This is just what you're gonna be doing every day, 20 times. Okay, so that's all. I don't want to make more of this. Let's move so that I don't make this video longer. Thank you very much, guys. Grab this opportunity ASAP. No time. Bless you and remain blessed.